Food being only healthy is not enough. It has to be tasty, especially when it comes to kids. Today, in this video, we will learn how to make strawberry jam at the comfort of our home without use of any harmful chemicals, preservatives, pectin or harmful color, which is so hazardous for their health. So what about the taste? That we will learn at the end of the video. So stay tuned till the end. Hello everyone, I am Livia, your wellness coach, and I help people to reduce weight, reverse lifestyle diseases or gain weight, and I have helped till date more than 100 families. I'm planning to help more 1,000 families this year 2023. So let's get started with the video. Take 500 grams sliced strawberries in a pan this way and let it cook for 10 minutes. There is no need to add any water because strawberries will release their own water. To provide our jam jelly-like consistency, we will add chia seeds. Yes, it is another healthy addition to this excellent recipe. As the strawberries are soft enough, we will smash it further with the help of a smasher. This will help in avoiding all the lumps of the fruit, that means the individual shape of the fruit, and will make them into a liquid consistency. As it is done, we will add the chia seed powder which we have powdered in a food processor. In total, we will add 1.5 tablespoon of chia seed powder to the jam and mix it well slowly so that they don't behave like alien with each other and they blend well. Chia seeds as such doesn't have any taste of its own, but it comes with all goodness and it's full of antioxidants. It is very difficult to feed our kids chia seeds just simply like that or mixing it in any other thing. But with jam, it goes so well that they will not be able to know that it has chia seeds. And then we will add a sliced lime juice into it. It will add the little tanginess to the sweet strawberries. Well, my strawberries were sweet enough, so I will add little mishri powder to it. Crystal mishris, powder them well and add it. In my case, only 1 spoon of mishri powder was enough because my strawberries were really sweet enough. But if yours not, you can increase the quantity of mishri. Mishri is a very good sweetener. It has all the goodness. Our jam seems to be ready. We will switch off the flame and then see how well and how nice it look, and the color has come so nicely. We will let it cool down at this point. After cooling, the strawberry jam color has become more dark. Now we will refill it in a sterilized container. I have sterilized it using hot water. You can also defreeze the container to sterilize it. Look at the color, how nice and tempting it looks. You can store this homemade jam in your fridge for 10 days to at the max 12 days, and that is enough. Now the moment of truth. I have taken 4 atta breads because my kids enjoy having jam with bread only. So I ensure that bread has to be atta bread or multigrain bread only. My elder one enjoys strawberries like anything, and of late she was requesting me to make strawberry jam at home, and I have made it today. Now she would be the first one to taste it and let me know whether it really comes to her expectation of a jam or not. So let's see it. How does it taste? How does it taste? Wow, you just created suspense. Isn't this recipe so easy and hassle-free to prepare at home? You can try different fruits with the same recipe for your kids to make jams at home. Do let me know how your kid find the taste because my kids just loved it. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for such healthy, tasty, nutritious recipe. And press the bell icon so that you don't miss on any of the videos which I upload. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, cheers to healthy life.